We talked earlier about great opportunity in the managed technology opportunity, right? This is where you can really succeed. This traditional managed service space is growing at about 12% cumulative annual growth rate. I wanted to point out managed security, though. Look at it. It's growing at 17% cumulative annual growth rate. That's the fastest growing part of our marketplace right now. It's the place that I am encouraging you to diversify and to take your skill set beyond where it is today and start getting into cybersecurity, all right? Why? Well, for all the reasons we talked about earlier. But one thing that's really got me committed to this is I actually went and checked out the dark web a couple of weeks ago. I'd never been on that. How many folks have been on the dark web? Raise your hand. Dark web. What the heck were you doing out there? I was amazed because I thought, oh, it's just a bunch of hackers. It's just going to be a bunch of, silliness out there. It's not. It's way more like Ocean's 11, okay? Organized crime, all right? They specialize. It was like scary. They specialize, okay? Just like in Ocean's 11, you had the wheelman, right? You had the explosives expert, you had the safe cracker, right? They had an expert in every area, and they all relied on each other and then interacted with each other to pull off this amazing heist in Ocean's 11, right? That's what they're doing. That's what they're doing out on the dark web, okay? There's people that go steal personal information. There's people that then sell that, and then there's folks that take that information, almost like, hey, can I buy a marketing distribution list from you? It's like that's the same thing. It's like, hey, can I buy some personal information? And they bid on it, and they sell it to each other, and then usually it's someone that actually steals it, and there's usually someone else who actually then uses that information. So it's sort of like, it's very, very specialized. So it's really pretty scary. If you look at the world economy today, it's $87 trillion. But if you look at what's happening with cybercrime, it's $6 trillion annually, okay? It's taken a huge chunk out of the world economy. In fact, that's 7% of the world economy. That's pretty scary when you think about it. And it gets worse. If you're looking at small to mid-sized businesses, 48% of the people in the world work for small to mid-sized businesses, okay? 49% of those small to mid-sized businesses have been hacked, and that just means they've got some malware or virus in there. They've been hacked in some way, maybe not had a breach yet. And once they've been hacked, 60% of those companies go out of business within 6 months. So those are your clients that are going to be going out of business because of it. The average cost of cybercrime of a breach is $7.35 million. So this is big business. This is organized crime. The total value of cybercrime is greater than all of drug trafficking. That's pretty scary, all right? And most people don't even know what's going on because it's in this dark other world.